Good morning. I'm on my way to Press merch because our new shirts are being printed today, and my friend Alyssa works over there and gave me the heads up. We're getting some white, what we're calling throwback tees with sort of a 90s like retro style logo. And then we're getting a black pocket tee. I have wanted a pocket tee for so long, and it'll have the Lift Arc logo up front and the Lift Arc logo on the back and bigger. And we are getting hats. We are getting green and blue, old school hats, kind of like this with the rope on them. But anyway, come along with me and see how it's made and check out Press merch. Ladies and gentlemen, the new location of Press merch. That looks so good. What do you do with this shirt?
Just throw it away. It just goes through.
Can I have it?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
Here, I'll set it in the dryer. You can take it.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to put one more on the back.
Okay.
I'm going to just make sure this one's in, and then we're going to get going.
Nice. It looks good.
Yeah. You like those colors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Pocket. Owie. Knuckles. Owie. Yes. I love a pocket tee so much. And here's a special bonus for whoever wears a medium.
I wear mediums?
This was a bullshit shirt they used to test.
Oh, that's
So it's got two full logos on the front and one half logo on the back.
That's actually
They just grab a throwaway. They use this little crosshair to make sure the screens are lined up. Yeah. But if you wear medium, there's a bonus shirt.
dude, triple company revenue.
Yeah. Look at that.
I am Lift Arc.
That's such a cool like.
Dude, that actually, I actually kind of like it.
Yeah. It is finally time for us to announce our Gen 2 line of merch. We've got a cool white throwback tee. We've got these sweet black pocket tees. Been fighting for a pocket tee for so long, and I love it so much because it's got a pocket and it's a tee.
What more could you ask for?
But the merch is live right now. New shirts, a very few select of the old Navy Heather ones, long sleeves, just the ones we haven't sold yet. They are on discount for $15 a piece, and all the new sizes, including tall sizes. We have tall sizes of the white throwback tee, and this is a large tall. It's yet to be washed yet. They'll shrink a little bit, of course, but look at it. It hugs my flubby figure.
Your lengthy torso.
But yeah, the length is really what we're on about here.
Yeah.
So check out all the sizes. It should all be on there. If there's a slight discrepancy in the listings, please forgive us. We are our own e-commerce team. Spent several hours this morning double and triple checking things, and international shipping should be working. But shirts and all that is free shipping to the domestic US states of America. And yeah, if you want to support us, this is a fantastic way to do it. All the shirts, they're about to arrest us.
They heard there's new merch.
Yeah. All the merch is made right here in Roanoke, Virginia at Press Merch. So shout out, fellow small business. They're not very small anymore, but they are awesome folks. All screen printed by hand using fancy techniques and tools. But yeah,
Yeah.
we finally did it. It's here. Go pick you up some. We super appreciate it. By the way, it's gonna be a Lift Dark summer.
Hey, Aaron, what is this summer?
It's a Lift Dark summer.
Lift dark summer, sunbeams on it. We're gonna groove all day. Lift dark summer. We're gonna groove all day. Lift dark summer beats a live wire. We're gonna move always. Lift dark summer, sunbeams on it. We're gonna groove all day. Lift our summer with these cool hats, looking cool with our new shirts. It's gonna be a Lift Dark summer, 'cause you can wear our merch.